Municipal Mayor, Honorable Benjamin Magano. Yes, palakpakan natin. And of course, Mike as well, since he's already here, let's also call him here on stage to render a message for everyone. Okay, so once again, mag-picture ulit tayo mamaya. Okay, as we call on our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Benjamin Magano.
Maraming salamat, Brandon. May pagkatabi at tayo amin. Hindi na sa inyo lahat. Felt great to be invited here today on yung gabi because I can feel you. Ngayon dyan, duwag ako. They are profound hearing loss. Kapsa, sudan. So profound hearing loss. I know the feeling of being a grandfather with special kids that he impairment. And I'm really very much inspired by you because despite the fact that you have all this impairment, you continue to show that you're capable of doing a lot of things which even a normal person can do it. And for example, today you're here to participate in this singing event. And every time we invite you, the DJ performances yun, we're really amazed on your ability, your skills, and your talent. So I would like to say, there's only one thing that I can say that I'm truly inspired and truly motivated. I would like to thank ni Ako Manny, Ako Manuel, thank you very much. Thank you for this initiative na you're raising fund for the group. So, one thing that I can assure you, kami kita tutulungan niya na dalawang visually impaired na grupo. Diyan, may sa middle school, diyan yung and then the group of yung grupo na mga nagmamassage sa likod ng City. So once we have magdamag na the golf tournament ni Manan, rest assured that we will be one of our beneficiaries. So thank you very much, Berlinda, thank you for being consistently supporting our young colleague. And I felt that na meron ako isang newfound friend ko si Jocelyn na dami ko nakakasama pala yung na lagi kami nakikita sa mga special event. So sa inyo lahat, advance Merry Christmas. Huwag nakalimutan, the real essence of Christmas is about the birth of Jesus Christ. And if you go over the Bible, and you just imagine someone who was born in the name of His love to save us from our sin. So happy birthday, Jesus Christ. Sa inyo lahat, once again, happy holidays. Advance, Merry Christmas. I thought I was going to sing already.
Thank you once again, our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Benjamin Magano.